Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you another bullish reversal pattern has appeared, and that is the harmonic move, the bullish shark move after two bats. And after this, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels as well for the BTC, and we will also watch the different moving averages and this pattern that is likely to be broken down soon. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall my previous long-term analysis for you guys. First of all, I would like to show you this pattern that is appeared, and this is basically a bullish reversal pattern, the bullish shark pattern. And this is the initial leg, and second leg is retraced between 0.618, 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the first confirmation for the bullish shark pattern, and this leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618. This is basically a Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and the final leg is almost retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. For the completion of this leg, we need the price action to move up to this level from $8,979 up to $8,809, and so far we have observed that the price action is moved up to $8,989 a day before yesterday, and I'm thinking that it will be moved more down up to this potential reversal zone to completely entered in this potential reversal zone for another bullish divergence like we had here from the potential reversal zone of this bullish bat and from here. Before that, on 8th of June, I would like to recall this pattern that I predicted that the price action may move more down for the completion of garlic pattern that I posted on the 8th June when the price action was almost moving between $9,800 to $10,000. And this was that pattern when I just predicted that the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone, and from here it can move up again. And you can see that this leg has been completed. I tried to catch this pattern a bit earlier, therefore I just predicted that this is the garlic pattern. In fact, this was a bat move, not the garlic move. And afterwards I just posted a correction post and where I just shown that this was a bad pattern, not the garlic pattern, and this was the post that I just posted. And here you can see that the price action moved up to the potential reversal zone from $9,000 up to $8,840, and reversed from here from this potential reversal zone up to almost $9,800 and move down again in this potential reversal zone. At this time, the price action has formed another bullish shark pattern on this 12-hour chart, even though it is also reflected on the daily chart as well, but more visible on the 12-hour chart. Therefore, I've just switched this chart to 12-hour, and now we can expect a move between $8,979 up to $8,809, and this should be our stop loss, because once this potential reversal zone will be broken down and the price action will be not reversed from here, then the price action may move down to the next support, and that is the $8,200. And this can be a really very strong support if the price action will be moved up to this level, because here, if we see the simple moving averages, this black one is a 200 and this red one is a 100 simple moving average, then we have the support of these both moving averages at $8,200 level. Therefore, if the price action will be moved up here, then it will have a strong support, and there will be more chances that the price action will be moved up to the previous support and to retest that support as a resistance that would be at that time $8,800. However, at this time, our last support or our stop loss point should be $8,800, and this is also the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark, and we can expect at least upward move from that can be the Fibonacci projection of C to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection level, and that can be from $9,200 up to almost $2,600. However, if the price action will be after getting reversed from here, it will cross up this level 0.786, then we can expect some more upward move to break out the $10,000. That is really very strong resistance level for the price action of BTC. And we can see that price action is trying to break out this resistance level since October 2019, but so far, even after making several attempts, the price action is not able to break out this 10K resistance so far. Now, if we see the different patterns, other chart patterns that the price action is forming on the daily chart. First, it formed the wedge pattern, and now it has formed a pennant on this daily chart. And I was expecting that with the combination, I was just looking at this pattern with the combination of these three indicators. This is the momentum indicator, this is the MACD indicator, and this is the stochastic indicator. So previously the price action did that when it was reached at the support of this pennant here, and we received a bullish signal by the momentum indicator, and the MACD also turned weak bearish, so it was turning bullish, and we received a bull cross from the stochastic. The price action moved all the way up to the resistance of the pennant and tried to break out this pennant. Therefore, previously when the price action moved at this support, I was expecting when we will have these signals again, then the price action will break out, or at least try to break out the resistance of the pennant. And in fact, we have seen an attempt by the price action after receiving these signals. For example, here on 22nd of June, this momentum was turning bullish. We received a bullish signal by the MACD as well, and the stochastic also gave the bull cross, and the price action moved all the way up to the resistance of this pennant that was almost at $9,800. I was even though I was expecting a spike up to $10,000, because we were at the end of the pennant, and that this time would be the break or make or break time for the price action, because the pennant was getting squeezed, and we were also in the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern. Therefore, we would have a strong push from here, like it provided a strong push. But unfortunately, after having that push, the price action moved back again at the support of this pennant, and we had a really very strong resistance of this pennant that pushed the price action down. At this time, the price action is likely to break down this support. If it will be broken down, then definitely the price action will retest the previous support of $8,800, and then it can retest the $8,200 support if this potential reversal zone will be also broken down. Now, if we switch to the weekly chart, that is with long-term chart, then we can see we don't have only resistance of this pennant that is formed on the daily chart, and this 10K resistance that is we can see on this daily chart. The more stronger resistance that the price action is struggling to break out this resistance is this rejection line that is formed after 2017, and this is real in fact a resistance of a really very big symmetrical triangle that is formed on this weekly chart from 2017 up to 2020 so far. And at this time, the price action is almost at the end of this triangle, but whenever the price action is reaching at this resistance of this triangle, you can see that the price action is being rejected again and again. And this time, if the price action will be rejected, then we have the 50, 25, 100 and 200 simple moving average supports below the price line on this weekly chart. If it will be moved up to this 50 simple moving average, then we have the support almost at $8,800, like we have already seen that we have some other supports there. If it will be broken down, then we will have another support of 25 simple moving average at $7,200, then 100 simple moving average, the 25 simple moving average is at $8,200 almost, and the 100 simple moving average is at $7,200. Then we have the 200 simple moving average support, where we have the support of this triangle as well, that is at $6,000. And this $6,000 is our last and final, a really very strong support, because we have the 200 simple moving average here. And if I take you back in the history of this price action, then we can see that this orange one or this yellow one is the 200 simple moving average is never broken down in the history of BTC since it is appeared back in 2015, and the price action never has broken down this simple moving average. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to move more down than this level, and we also have this triangle support at that level as well. And if we watch this drop, for example, if this drop will be happen and the price action will be moved up to this level, or maybe we will have some more spike up to $4,000 or like $3,850 like we had in the previous days in the month of March here. And if we compare that bearish move, for example, if that would be then with the move that with the upcoming move, that could be a really very powerful parabolic bullish move, like we have very strong supports and we are at the end of this pennant and that move is quite confirmed, then this drop can be nothing before that move. And the basic thing that I am looking at on this chart is an expected bull cross or golden cross between 25 and 50 simple moving averages. You can see that the 25 simple moving average on this long-term weekly chart is moving up continuously to form a bull cross with this 50 simple moving average. After that, we will have a complete formation of an opened alligator mouth like we had here previously when we had the biggest time period moving average, that is with the time period of 200, then we have 100, then 50, and the smallest time period moving average with the time period of 25 above all these moving averages, and a complete open alligator mouth was formed by these simple moving averages, and we have seen a really very big parabolic bullish move around 3,000%. And once this alligator mouth will be formed again here after this bull cross, because we have almost like same order like we had here. We have the 200 simple moving average below all the moving averages, then we have the 100, and now we need the 25 simple moving average, the smallest time period moving average above all these simple moving averages. Then again an open alligator mouth will be formed and this would be a second time in the history of the Bitcoin, and that can lead the price action again move up. I'm expecting a really very bullish rally up to that can lead the price action up to $1,000 to $3,000. If, for example, this time the price action will be moved up to 1,000%, not 3,000% like the previous move, then we can expect a move up to $1,000. And if it would be like 3,000% within next 1, 2, or 3 years, then we can expect a move up to 3,000 that can lead the price action to $300,000. And now let me to show you this chart. I just want to recall this pattern again that is formed on the monthly chart, really very big bullish gauntlet pattern. The price action entered in this potential reversal zone in the month of April, and I predicted as per Fibonacci sequence of this gauntlet, the price action should move up again to this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and as per Fibonacci sequence or retracements, the price action took a powerful bullish divergence. So far, it has produced almost 50 to 60% bullish rally, but you can see that every candlestick is closing above the shoulder of the previous candlestick. Therefore, if this sequence will be continued like this, then soon we will see the price action will will break out this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection, that is a projection of A to D leg, and after that the price action can turn more and more bullish. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. On the short term, we can expect that the price action can move up to this level. We can expect a short-term bearish rally to move into the potential reversal zone, and definitely on the long term, on the monthly and on the weekly chart, we are getting more and more stronger bullish on Bitcoin. So I'm expecting a short-term bullish bearish rally for the completion of this bearish arc. However, this should be our stop loss, because once it will be broken down, then it can move all the way down to the previous support of $8,200, and then we can expect, and if that will be broken down, then we can expect another bearish move to the $6,000. That is the support of the really very big triangle of that is formed on this weekly chart, and here we have the 200 simple moving average support as well. So if you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, and share your comments with me in the comment section as well. I'll definitely try my best to reply your comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.